we often get called to catch snakes and alligators and animals that people don't want to deal with. And today we're catching an emu on a baseball field. That's fine if she does. I'm just going to walk this way and push her that way. Grab the wings. Get the wings. You got a wing? All right, get next to it. Inside it. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You have an appointed attorney. We will not appoint one for you because we don't have bird attorneys. But
oh, she's got big eyes. Her eyes are bigger than my baby.
We don't make fun of her. She might be sensitive about her
pretty.
eyes.
She's Miss Fancy Pants. Not wanting to come because there's some resistance there,
yeah.
You can see.
Having to force her.
You're okay, baby. Alright, up you go. Awesome. It is a female. Did you hear that? Could you hear it? Yes. Males grunt. They sound more like pigs. But you know,
"12 seconds later.
This is why I don't. Well, at least it didn't break that one. Oh wait, I gotta pull forward. Hang on. Did you get
She's good at catching emus, but not good at pulling trailers.
I am horrible at trailers. That's why you just don't want me to pull a trailer.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, she was pulling into this gate and had just hit the fence over there. Now she just hit this fence.
Focused on other things.
Well, focus on driving the trailer.
Focus on not getting stuck in the mud, and then I'm not paying attention to the fence.
Okay.
Okay.
Hope you're better at emu keeping than you are
I am.
driving a trailer and avoiding fences.
Lord help me, he's going to divorce me.
So today's call was to go out and get an emu that had showed up at a private property, a baseball field, and tried to track down the owner. Couldn't find anybody that would claim responsibility. So luckily, we're able to go out and ow. Luckily, we're able to go out and catch the emu. So now we're having it at a new property, and this person has emus here, Brandy, one of our volunteers, and so it's going to be released here, and hopefully it will stay here and not end up on a baseball field or any soccer fields or sports complexes whatsoever. Come on, girl. All right, so we got the emu captured and transported to its new home. Hopefully it's going to stay here. It's got some boyfriends. This is a female, so they got some male emus here, and hopefully they'll have some emu babies one day. You know, sometimes animals get loose. I'm just glad we're able to catch this one before it ends up getting hit by a car or something.